Hello guys, today I am going to show you how to install the iOS in your iPhone. So just recently the iOS version 13.5.1 has been released. So to install that software in your iPhone, this is my iPhone 7 Plus. So I'll show you how to install that iOS version in my system. So to do that you have to go to settings and go to generals and go to software updates. Okay, I have already downloaded the software. Now to install this software into my system I will have to press install now button. So just press it and now it will start the installation process. Currently it is verifying the updates. Now it will slowly start installing the software into the system. It will take some time to install. I'll come back once the installation process is completed. Seems like the installation process is about to finish. Okay, the installation process has finished successfully. So now you will have to type in the passcode to get into the system. Okay, now I have entered the passcode and I'm into my system. Now I'll show you if the system has updated to that iOS version or not. So to view that you have to go to in general and go to about, go to software updates. Yeah, that iOS version has been installed into my iPhone, and it is saying that the iOS version is 13.5.1, which we just before installed into our system, and it is saying that your software is up to date now. Okay guys, hope you have learned something about how to install the iOS into this iPhone. Yeah, this is the procedure to install the iOS into your system. Okay, thank you for watching the video. Hope you subscribe to my channel and like the video. Thank you.